The effect of LPG inflation is now being seen in the rallies of Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP National President JP Nadda held a public meeting on Tuesday in Hapur, Uttar Pradesh. During the rally, large hoardings were erected there. After the public meeting, people took the hoardings with them. They said that it will be used to light the stove in their houses. BJP National President JP Nadda was holding a rally in Gadmukteshwar on Tuesday. During this rally, BJP leaders had put up hoardings worth lakhs of rupees. These hoardings are supported by wooden rods. The crowd heard JP Nadda's speech and then uprooted the hoardings as they left. They said that the cylinder is very expensive and thus the wood will come in handy in their stove. These visuals were taken after the speech of BJP National President JP Nadda in Gadmukteshwar, Hapur.
ये लकड़ी आप किस लिए लेके जा रही हैं?
चूल्हे में जलाएंगे और किसके लिए ले जा रहे हैं?
सिलेंडर नहीं है आपके?
गरीब है हम तो।
अच्छा।
घर हमारा नहीं मंडिया हमारा नहीं।
सिलेंडर है आपके पास?
यार सिलेंडर 1000 का हो रहा है सिलेंडर।
तो 1000 रुपए का सिलेंडर होने की वजह से आप लकड़ी लेके जा रही हैं?
और क्या चला?
खाना बनाना लकड़ी जलाते हैं। अब भी सरकार ने तो आपको सिलेंडर दिया है उज्ज्वला योजना का।
भैया हमें ना मिला, हमें पहले ही हमने वैसे ले लिया तो
क्या करेंगी आप?
भैया 1000 रुपए का सिलेंडर है, गरीब आदमी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? गरीब आदमी कहाँ से भरा सिलेंडर? 1000 रुपए का भैया।
तो आप इस ये जो होर्डिंग लगे हैं इन होर्डिंग को तोड़ा है तो वो आपके चूल्हा जलाने के काम आएगा। क्या करेंगे?
लकड़ी की चूल्हा ही जलाएंगे।
तो सिलेंडर नहीं है आपके पास?
भैया सिलेंडर अगर खत्म हो जाता है तो मजबूर आदमी कहाँ से भरा पाते हैं? 1000 रुपए का सिलेंडर खरीदना।
सरकार की योजना है, सरकार ने दे रही है गरीबों को।
उज्ज्वला योजना के अंतर्गत सिलेंडर नहीं मिला आपको?
ना इंटरनेशनल का ही है हमारे।
The inflation is on rise and people have started feeling the heat because of it. On the other hand, even in the new year, people are unlikely to get respite from inflation. Let us tell you what will become expensive in the new year. Withdrawing money from the ATMs is going to be expensive. The RBI has approved an increase in the charges levied on cash withdrawals after a free transaction. Banks currently charge customers Rs 20 per transaction. It does not include taxes. According to the RBI, after the free transaction, banks will be able to charge their customers Rs 21 instead of Rs 20 per transaction. It does not include taxes. This rule will come into force from January 1st, 2022. Buying clothes and footwear will also be expensive. From January 1st, 12% GST will be levied on clothes and footwear. Government of India has increased GST on textiles, ready-made and footwear by 7%. Apart from this, online auto rickshaw booking will be subject to 5% GST. That means booking auto rickshaws from app-based cab service providers like Ola, Uber will now become expensive. However, there will be no charge in the fare of auto rickshaw in offline mode that is exempt from the tax. Buying a car will also be expensive. In the new year, you will have to pay more to buy cars of almost all car companies, including Maruti Suzuki, Renault, Honda, Toyota and Skoda. Tata Motors will increase the prices of commercial vehicles by 2.5% from January 1st, 2022. India Post Payment Bank also increased the charge. IPPB account holders will be charged from January 1st for withdrawing and depositing more than a certain limit. Cash withdrawal from basic savings account 4 times every month will be free. Thereafter, 0.50% charge will be charged on each withdrawal. However, there is no charge for depositing money in basic savings account.